menu is actually has very little stuff. I think people need. 我老公去了哪里？他在前面，因为他不可以等。He can't wait to fish. 哇，熱い熱い。熱い means hot. Hello.
Hello. I'm 26.
Oh wow, I'm 27.
27?
Yeah,
32. Awesome.
So fast.
気をつけてくださいね。
ありがとう。気をつけて。わあ。
Okay. This is Japanese say okiyami.
Okiyami. Not ebi?
Yes, ebi.
Ebi.
Small ebi.
More ebi.
Needle is a mask.
Ah, okay.
No this, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Live prawn.
Fishing is early morning or sunset timing is great. But at noon,
Yeah, it's coming out, it's coming out.
yeah, we can catch fish. Small but grouper.
Oh!
Yeah.
Why did you have a luck with grouper? Everywhere you go got grouper. Yay, yay, yay!
I
Kawaii.
bring the phone. I bring your phone.
Ah, did you look here?
What fish?
Yay, happy fish! Oh, oh, oh! What do I do?
Yes, coming. Yes.
Fish.
Oh my god!
Same fish.
Grouper.
Okay. No moving. No.
Look up.
Come here.
No.
Look here. Wow. Okay. Thank you. Yes. Arigato.
Okay.
Kawaii.
Thank you.
Yes. Yep.
Okay.
I hope hope I have the guts to even hold it. Oh.
Brought this fish is a we looks sometimes sashimi, but normally.
Poison? No poison. No poison. No poison. Huh? Wow, pretty.
Wow, I see.
Pretty. No poison?
I see.
No poison. Okay.
Oh my god, come.
Yeah. Wow. Unlock it.
Yes.
Wow, this is a butterfly. Oh yeah, dinner.
Yeah, dinner.
Right.
Oh, pretty. Eh.
So nice this fish.
What do you call this?
It is a whole bowl.
Whole bowl.
Yes.
Whole bowl.
It's a course. It's a, yeah.
Oh, okay, okay.
Go and eat. It's good size. Good size. Good size.
Oh, ang kuya. Thai, this one?
Yes, Thai.
Thai.
It's a rengodai.
Hey, very nice size.
Oh
eh.
my god.
Look here, look here, look here.
Okay,
Come here, look here, look here. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's okay.
Nice. Nice. 오!
Okay.
すげえ! 와!
Okay. It's a fuedai. Yes.
Fuedai.
와!
Group and fuedai. Fuedai is
Same speed.
same speed.
Same speed.
Same speed. Yes.
What is grouper in Japanese?
I say, okay, come on.
Yes, big one. Oh, big one, big one. Oh, wow. Hey. Flat head eh. Big fish. Yeah, you see the rod bend. It's careful, you don't shout, it's okay. Let him scoop first. Whoa, nice one. Another one. Hey, Didier, careful. Whoa.
Okay.
Bonefish? Another bonefish. Well done.
It's not the reason my heart sings. It's what I've got. You couldn't put a price on that. 'Cause I got something real. 'Cause I got
How different?
Yes, great. Yeah. Itoyoridai. Yes.
와!
I keep it.
You keep it. Like that? Yeah. Come closer. Like that.
some people
Oh, what you call it? Itorizai.
don't have a reason. Trying to make it all worthwhile. 'Cause what I've got surely makes the world go round. 'Cause I got something real. 'Cause I got love. I got love. I got love.
Okay, we're done with fishing. So tired but so fun for someone like me that, I'm very mad to fishing. I find it very, very fun. Now we make a pit stop to Family Mart because I'm so hungry. Let's go. I'm gonna leave my phone here.
Huh?
I'm gonna leave my phone here. Like my stomach hungry. Food that I had was just now the cheesecake. Wow, but really in it is so fun. Okay, it's very small to be honest. You could probably cover in half a day. But I think because of the fishing it took up quite a while. But it was so fun. Like, I really want to try more fishing in Japan. The fish is cleaner. That's what we can find. I'm so freaking hungry. Wow, I feel like buying like food. But I don't want to stink up the car. I think probably I just get a salmon. 食べるどうしようかな Pepe mian looks so good. So tempted to have this, but I don't think I should. Latte, nomimono. Jeng. これはチキン。
Yeah.
This is Osaka. We are here. So right now we are going to Toyoka station to take the train back to Namba. It's actually quite straightforward because you see you just have to take the Shinkansen, so it's a direct train. Toyoka. Alright, we need to clear up the mess. You can go all the way down so you can put our luggage, and then when you put back up, ta-da! Best car ever. It's roomy. Okay, sayonara roomy.
Talk to Shinkansen.
This place is so old school that they don't have the machine. They have to use a real person standing there. The room, yeah, it's very dark. That's the theme. Good, because we can put our luggage here. Very spacious. There also. Then
Cookie will make like a pot.
where's the washer dryer thing?
Don't know
They say
why.
have.
It's inside the room, but it's not really down.
Maybe it's at the side. It's the toilet. Oh, okay, good. Maybe it's here, like, yeah.
Washing machine.
Wow, it comes with washer and dryer. Oh, they even have that prepared for us. We even bought it. Great.